Looking for the best variable ND filter but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best variable ND filter based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The K&F CONCEPT 67mm Variable ND2-ND400 ND lens filter is a high-quality filter that's perfect for photographers who need precise light control. Its adjustable 1 to 9 stops of light reduction and 360-degree rotation make it ideal for diverse scenarios. With import optical glass and 8 multi-layer coatings, this filter reduces reflections and glare, ensuring superior image quality. I'd recommend this filter to landscape and portrait photographers who want to capture stunning images in various lighting conditions. Its glare-free surface and oxidized sandblasting process make it a great choice for photographers who want a filter that's easy to clean and maintain. Number 4. The K&F CONCEPT 52mm Variable ND Camera Lens Filter is a compact and lightweight filter that's perfect for photographers who want precise light control. Its adjustable 1 to 9 stops of light reduction and 360-degree rotation make it ideal for diverse scenarios. With import optical glass and 18 multi-layer coatings, this filter reduces reflections and glare, ensuring superior image quality. I'd recommend this filter to photographers who want a reliable and easy-to-use filter that can handle various lighting conditions. Its slim design and filter cap make it a great choice for travel and street photographers. Number 3. The K&F CONCEPT 67mm True Color Variable Fader ND2-ND400 Filter and CPL Circular Polarizing Lens Filter is a versatile filter that combines the features of a variable ND and CPL filter in one. It's perfect for photographers who want to control the amount of light entering the lens while also avoiding unwanted reflections. With self-locking technology and infinite rotation, this filter facilitates precise positioning of light reduction and avoids the phenomenon of producing black crosses. I'd recommend this filter to landscape, portrait, and street photographers who want to capture stunning images with minimal reflections and glare. Its high-definition image quality and durability make it a great choice. Number 2. The K&F CONCEPT 67mm UV/CPL/ND2-400 Lens Filters Kit is a comprehensive kit that includes 3 essential filters, a UV filter, a CPL polarizer filter, and a variable ND filter. The kit also comes with a hard shell case and a microfiber cleaning cloth, making it perfect for photographers who want a one-stop solution for their photography needs. With top-tier optical glass and 18 layers of nanometer coatings, these filters excel at reducing reflections and preserving image quality. I'd recommend this kit to professional photographers who want to take their photography to the next level. It's a great investment for anyone looking to improve their image quality and workflow. Number 1. The K&F CONCEPT 82mm Variable ND2-ND400 ND Lens Filter is a game-changer for photographers who need precise light control. Its adjustable 1 to 9 stops of light reduction and 360-degree rotation make it perfect for diverse scenarios. With import optical glass and 8 multi-layer coatings, this filter reduces reflections and glare, ensuring superior image quality. I'd recommend this filter to landscape and portrait photographers who want to capture stunning images in various lighting conditions. It's a must-have for anyone serious about photography, and I'm impressed with its performance, making it a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.